Hello and welcome to our senior design presentation. We're the J&L Ops team. Our task for senior design was to improve the overall efficiency of J&L Machine and Fabrication, a rapidly expanding metal fabrication facility located in Stanley, North Carolina. For this project, our design revolves around the Lean Six methodology commonly used within our systems engineering courses in order to extract inefficiencies from the company's current processes. We started with the define phase in order to gain a good perspective on what direction we wanted to take the project and understand barriers to the company's growth. We started by creating CT matrices through interviews and daily observations to understand our clients' needs, as well as a Kano model to understand what were desirable and undesirable deliverables for the project. Through this, we determined the main areas to investigate were the press brake, welding, and material handling areas. Next, we moved on to the measure phase to begin collecting preliminary data.
Once we finished with our define phase, we moved into the measure phase. In this phase, our team visited J&L twice a week where we collected data on welding, press brake, and material handling. A sample of the data collected from each of the 3 areas of focus are shown in the upper middle section of our poster. From the data collected, we created the pie charts in the section below to visualize the downtime percentage for each area.
So on the right side of the poster is the analyze next steps phase. The analyze phase is about taking the data from the measure phase and then putting it into a visual example. So for the analyze phase, for the welding press brake materials, we made a value stream chart, FME, and a root cause analysis. But due to limited space, we decided that the value stream map for the press brake and welding would be most utilized on the poster, and the FME and root cause would be better utilized in the poster. And then for the next steps phase, we're going to go back to the factory next semester, and we're going to take more data measurements on the kitting process of the welding so we can get a better feel for how to do the implementations for that. So the team will then also move on to the implementation phase, where we'll create a standard operating procedure for the press brake instruction, standardize the kitting for the welding staging area, and reimagine the storage materials throughout the factory. And we will then go to the control phase. The team will monitor, retest, and adjust the implementations. This will occur in March and April of 2022.